Floodings are happening more frequently than ever, and being ready for it is the key to resilience. Stick around to find out how to build your essential flood emergency kit. First up, water is vital. Store at least 3 days worth of drinking water per person, and don't forget non-perishable food items like canned goods and energy bars. A well-stocked first aid kit can be a lifesaver. Include bandages, antiseptics, and any necessary medications. What's one item you'd never forget in your kit? Drop it in the comments. Equip yourself with essential tools, a flashlight with extra batteries, and appropriate clothing for wet and cold conditions. Don't overlook sleeping bags, local maps for evacuation routes, a hygiene kit, and some cash. During emergency situations, ATMS could be disabled. Keep your phone charged and have a portable charger handy. Staying connected is crucial. You're all set. Share this guide to help others prepare. Stay safe and ready for anything. Stay tuned for our next reel on emergency planning for parents of children with disabilities.